Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese angelica steamed chicken. This recipe is very easy. Chinese angelica is also known as female ginseng. It is good for our body health. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut some ginger. Prepare some chicken and add the ginger to it. Also some Chinese angelica, some wolfberries, some red dates. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine, some starch. Mix well. Now add some cooking oil onto the surface to keep the seasonings inside the chicken. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can put the chicken onto a plate. And then we can use the steamer to steam the chicken for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, chop some scallion and add onto the top. It is ready, very healthy and delicious. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.